So let's have a look at an example. We'll begin with this figure over here. Here we're given lines L is parallel to M. So this line L is parallel to line M and line T is a transversal. So whenever I have two parallel lines in a transversal, what do I know? Corresponding angles are equal, alternate angles are equal, and interior angles on the same side of the transversal are supplementary. So we have to find the value of angle X. So see, begin with what is given to you. This angle is given to us. So first of all, check the relationship between the given angle and the unknown angle. So what type of angles are these two angles? See, both the angles are between the two lines. So interior angles, one is on the left side of the transversal, other is on the right side. Different vertex, so these are alternate interior angles. I repeat, because the two angles are between the two lines, interior, one here, one on the right side. So alternate interior angles. Now we know in the case of parallel lines, when we have a transversal, alternate interior angles are equal. So this angle is equal to this angle. So angle X is equal to 60 degrees. Right? So just get the relationship between the known angle and the unknown angle. These are alternate interior angles. In the case of parallel lines and transversal, alternate interior angles are equal. So these two angles will be equal. Similarly here, line A is parallel to line B, C is a transversal. So again we have parallel lines and a transversal. So same thing. Corresponding angles are equal, alternate interior angles are equal, alternate exterior angles are equal, and interior angles on the same side of the transversal are supplementary. So now 55 degrees and Y. So first of all, what is the relationship between these two angles? Both the angles are between the two lines, so interior angles. One on this side, one on this side. So two angles on different sides of the transversal, alternate interior angles. So again, alternate interior angles are equal, so Y is equal to 55. So you just have to get the relationship between the known angle and the unknown. So both these angles are what? Interior, alternate angles. We know when we have parallel lines and transversal, alternate interior angles are equal. So these two angles are equal. As simple as that. Here, let L1, L2 be two lines. Now here they're not parallel. They're just random two lines and T is a transversal. Is angle 1 equal to angle 2? So see, both the angles are between the two lines. So they're interior angles. One is on this side of the transversal, others on the other side of the transversal. So they are alternate interior angles. I hope this is clear. See, both the angles are between the two lines, so interior angles. They are on different sides of the transversal, so alternate interior angles. So are these two angles equal? No. When will alternate interior angles be equal? When the two lines are parallel. Are these two lines parallel? No. You can clearly see they're going to meet each other. Also, we're not given. So since the two lines are not parallel, therefore these two angles are not equal. So the answer is no. What is the reason? Because L1 and L2 are not parallel lines. So remember, alternate interior angles are equal only when the lines are parallel. See, in these two cases, alternate interior angles were being equal. Why? Because these two lines were parallel. But here, are these two lines parallel? No. Since the lines are not parallel, therefore the alternate interior angles are not equal. Right? So remember, alternate interior angles are equal only when the two lines are parallel. Right? So this is how you solve such type of questions. So the moment you see parallel lines and a transversal, recall three things. Corresponding angles are equal, alternate angles are equal, and interior angles on the same side of the transversal are supplementary. Right? Next, get the relationship between the known angle and the unknown angle. So these are alternate interior angles, they're equal. Alternate interior angles, they're equal. Right? So let's practice more examples on this concept.